Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. In today's episode, I am sharing with you my house tour number 3. So if you're interested in this home, you know what to do. Stick around. Okay, here we are at another house. Pretty nice, 2-story home. Nice. It's empty.
Oh, they said something about they want to come back to the house.
Okay, here it is. Here is the office in the front. Here. Really nice. I like the French doors, the stairs when you come in. Set up there. Alright. Here is the formal dining room. We're going to go into the kitchen. Oh yes, nice refrigerator. And island. Now, you know that wallpaper got to come down. Yeah. Okay. Nice. I'm gonna do the kitchen from here. Then here's the family room. Has a fireplace. Really nice. Here is the master bedroom. Nice size. And this is the part I told my husband that we're gonna have to really work with. There's a lime green in here. It's gonna have to be painted. It has the tub, shower, the face balls too. Hello, and here I am. Then here is the walk-in master closet. Nice roomy. Nice room for both of us. Okay. As I come out, I'm gonna cut out lights, make it easier. Okay. Family room is really nice. Now we're gonna head upstairs. Let's go up and check out upstairs. What is this? Oh, this is the half bath here. Okay. I like that it has this office downstairs here. And this is too. It's a garage in here. Now we're going upstairs. Keep stepping on my dress. Okay, here is the game room, which will be the man cave. Okay. Then down this way, we have a full bathroom. Over here, we have a room. Oh, the laundry room is upstairs. That's something I must talk to my husband about. Here is a closet, linen closet. Okay. Game room, man cave area. Other side, we have another bedroom. Then here, this must have been a child's bedroom. There's stars on the ceiling. And punch on the floor. So yes, this was a child's bedroom. This is nice. See, this here would be nice to have a door here to close this room off, because this would be Eric's man cave. so nobody can get in it. Now, I keep stepping on my dress, so I got to hold it again. And here is my lovely realtor.
Hi, Ms. Wilcoxon.
This is Phyllis Kervin Johnson of PK Realty. Now we're gonna look outside. Here on the side is a little, this is nice. A little porch here on the side. Then we go to the other side by the kitchen. Over here, we have a covered patio, a lot of flowers. I hope I'm not allergic to any of them, but this is a nice area to sit out. Over here, nice. Okay. This is really nice, y'all. I like this. 1, 2, 1 here. I could get one more cabinet right there and extend this island some for me. But I'm liking this. I'll show you how it looks outside. I didn't get a view of the front of the house. I'll show you when I walk out. This is the entryway when you come in. This is the number 2 on our list. I think this is a beautiful home, and leaving it, it's gorgeous. Let me know what you think about this house down below. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.